How's it going, everybody? Thank you for watching another video, and welcome to part 3 of the MCUSTA Knife unboxing. Now, if you haven't had a chance to check out parts 1 and 2, I'll link them right up here. And so far, we have unboxed 15 new knives, and today we're going to be doing 10 more, 5 in this box and 5 in this box. Now, I still have no idea which knives MCUSTA has sent me, and keeping in mind, each of these knives are going to have their own individual reviews. But for now, let's see what's in these boxes. Let's check out knife number 1. Ooh, look at that. Look at the milling on that. Look at how it catches the light. Have a quick look at the pocket clip here. Let's see if I can fling this open here. Nice. Oh, Damascus. All right, there's knife number 1. Knife number 2. Oh, look at that. This looks like the wrapping on a samurai handle, like a katana handle. Holy moly, look at that. Quick look at the pocket clip. And let's see if I can fling that open. Absolutely. And Damascus as well. Wow, look at that. Really quick, guys, I don't know if you caught this, but you can actually see straight through the handle. It just passes straight through. Absolutely gorgeous. Knife number 3. Oh, look at that wood grain. Oh, and the hammer texture on that pocket clip. Is that hammer texture? Kind of pebbly. Look at the grain on that, though. Kind of bambooish. See if I can flick that open. Yes. Oh, Damascus again. Knife number 3. Knife number 4. Oh my gosh, what's this? How do I open this? This is gorgeous. Do I pull that? Okay, maybe I just pull on that. Oh, look at that. All right, let's see what we got here. Come on. Wow. Look at all the different types of milling in here. Going in all different directions. That is gorgeous. It almost looks like a dragonfly wing. Look at the coloring back here. I don't know if I can flick this open. Oh, perfect. Yep. And of course, Damascus. Well, guys, that is a breathtaking knife number 4. Halfway home, knife number 5. Wow. Look at that. Bamboo style. Look at the milling on that. It's probably aluminum. Gorgeous. Beautiful pocket clip. That looks like a Damascus blade. Let me see if I can flick that out. Absolutely. Man, these are some bangers, guys. Knife number 5. Knife number 6. Oh, that's like a redwood. Holy moly. Look at the grain pattern on that and the milling. Look at the milling. Wow, look at how it catches the light. It's almost 3-dimensional. All right, check out the pocket clip. See if I can flick that open. Wow, that is really light in weight. Stunning. Knife number 6. Knife number 7. Oh, I see brown. I see brown wood. Wow. Just like the other knife, except in brown. The other one was kind of reddish color. Look at the grain in here. Look at how it just catches the light. Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful pocket clip. Let me see if I can flick this open. Ooh, absolutely. And of course, Damascus. Knife number 7. Knife number 8. Ooh, wow, that's a brighter red than the other one. Bamboo style. Oh, look at the gloss on that. Incredible. Look at how it follows. The liner follows the bamboo shape. Beautiful pocket clip. Let's see if I can flick this one open. Oh, yes. And of course, Damascus. That's a beautiful looking knife. Knife number 9. Ooh, back to that blackwood. Love the way that they've chiseled this in here. Each panel catches the light so differently. Let's give this a little flick. Yep, Damascus again. Knife number 9. Knife number 10. And it looks like we have that black type wood with that bamboo style. Wow, look at that again. Just love the way the liner follows that bamboo pattern. Alright, let's give it a quick flick. Ooh! Damascus. Alright guys, there you have it. 10 new knives, 10 new unboxings. Let me know in the comment section below which one of these 10 was your favorite. Alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember to click the subscribe button and make sure you click that notification bell so you get notified when the next unboxing happens, which will be very soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.